So hi everyone. Today session what we are going to discuss with the help of these experimental setups, students can able to know non-inverting amplifier by using operational amplifier with the help of IC741, with the help of TL082. Students can able to know that non-inverting amplifier. So before we are going to discuss about this particular setup, so for particular see in these setups, what are the devices in students' point of view? What are the devices they need? First of all, so the ASLK trainer kit, analog system lab trainer kit we have to take. So microprocessor power supply, function generator, and cathode ray oscilloscope, cathode ray probe, and patch cords and connecting wires are required. These are the devices we are going to use with the in this particular setup. These are the devices are going to use. Okay, according to this circuit diagram, so moving to that connection identification and explanation. According to the circuit diagram, see here I made one connection. Function, first of all, function generator ground terminal to ground. Function generator positive goes to non-inverting terminal. I mean positive terminal of the operational amplifier. Okay, then coming to this power supply, in this microprocessor power supply there are three terminals. So negative terminal, positive terminal, and a ground terminal. From microprocessor power supply negative, I mean ground terminal to ground terminal. For in ASLK also we have a three terminal. So ground terminal or negative terminal and positive terminal. So positive terminal to positive, ground terminal to ground, and what is that? Negative terminal to negative. So you have to make the connection like that. You have to make the connection from microprocessor power supply into this ASLK trainer kit. This is this is nothing but simply power connection identification. So negative connection to negative, positive connection to positive, what is that? Ground connection into ground connection. This is power supply connection. Okay, students. So according to the circuit diagram, I made a kind of loop. Okay, I made a feedback loop from output of the operational amplifier into 1 kilo ohm resistor. I made a connection. So resistor another end is connected into inverting terminal of the operational amplifier. Okay, is it clear? And moving to that, see one more resistance, 1K resistance, we have to make a connection to ground connection. So this is a very simple connection for non-inverting amplifier. In non-inverting amplifier, students they can able to understood. So in this see function generator setup, here students they have to set up a sinusoidal mode. So that is very most important concept. Initially they have to set the input signal with the help of function generator with the help of this CRO device. So function generator positive to CRO positive, function generator negative to CRO negative. You have to make the connection, and initially you have to set the input signal from with the help of function generator. We have to set the input signal as 1 kilohertz. Okay, students. So very most important point. Once again I am repeating. Here you have to keep sinusoidal mode. This is initial setups. So this is initial setup for the non-inverting amplifier. So whatever the input you are giving, same as it is in the output you are going to get. For example, mathematically, so according to your theory, you studied, I think almost all students you studied V naught equal to A into V in you studied. I mean, so whatever the input you given with the help of this function generator, same amount of output, we are going to get this CRO. Okay, let us go for the demonstration. Whether the output is coming or not, we will check it. So this is the design. So this is totally nothing but a non-inverting amplifier design. So first of all, you have to switch it on this power supply. I switch it on. Next input device is function generator. You have to switch it on the power function generator. So function generator I kept 1 kilohertz. Okay, so very most important point. Then next output device is cathode ray oscilloscope. So I am going to switch it on. On the cathode ray oscilloscope screen, we are going to verify whether the signal is coming or not. We are going to verify based on the input signal. Already we set the input signal. See students, every one of you, see everyone. Here on the CRO, we are getting the sinusoidal waveform. So with the help of the sinusoidal waveform, you may going to analyze amplitude as well as a time period. Okay. So how we are going to calculate the value of amplitude? Peak to peak value. This peak to peak value into volt per division on the CRO, you may able to get amplitude value. How we are going to calculate the time period? So you have to consider one full cycle. You have to consider one full cycle into time per division is nothing but time period. Okay. So remember, very most important point, one more important point, inverting amplifier. See how much amount of input voltage is given, same amount of output voltage will generate. That is nothing but a non-inverting amplifier. And one more important point, in non-inverting point means function generator connection should be in positive terminal. If it is inverting terminal, the function generator input signal to be negative terminal of the operation amplifier. This is non-inverting terminal, non-inverting amplifier, so that function generator input to be the function generator input connected with the non-inverting terminal. That is very most important point. This is very most important point in this amplifier. Okay. So this is with the help of this amplifier, students can able to analyze amplitude, time period as well as gain. Okay. So thank you for watching.